Welcome to Soulflow TV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. Watch my baby brains. She pretty don't. Pregnant and all. Now following the recent GT Taylor extravaganza show, none other than Sizzla himself had a few choice words for the one called L.A. Lewis and his recent Nyamitout actions. As you know, L.A. Lewis was seen on video. Anyway, let's hear what Sizzla has to say first before we talk about that. See ya.
Hey boy, L.A. Lewis. Hey, look a nasty boy. And you here a come. Hey boy, L.A. Lewis. Hey, look a nasty boy. And Lewis. Hey, look a nasty boy. Hey boy, L.A. Lewis. Hey, look a nasty boy. And you here a come. And the youth have a different education. Small business people gonna get rich. But burn out dog in a throat. And you get bright and show your face in a girl nookie. Then that box for you some career. What are you doing there? Turn it up, you have an audio voice.
Hey, alright, so everybody knows that L.A. Lewis got caught with him face under something, right? Now, check this out. My thing about L.A. Lewis is that it's not that he's doing it, right? Because like them saying in Jamaica, everybody look like them a do it. So some say they do it in the public and some say they do it in private. My thing about him is he spent a lot of time bashing people like Ishana and even calling me Soulflow TV suck pussy boy. But they never caught me on video like this. Now what people have to understand saying Sizzla them man they are fire ass in a man. And whether them man they do it in them personal life or not, it is for us to speculate. But we know that the kind of order where them uphold still, with all due respect to Sizzla, is that it is not to be done because it is actually unhealthy for the body. It has been proven that throat cancer and them something that come out of it, so I don't know. Anyway, GT Taylor show this year kick off and GT come and make we know say what. Masicka was supposed to be there, him sign contract, make them promote him on the thing. And the people them come out to see him and he didn't show up. Him or Corita didn't answer their phone and he was a no-go. Him all our plan for sue Masicka right now. Masicka go fix up that. Hear me I say, Ninja Man was the biggest draw to GT Taylor show for me for years in a row. So with Ninja Man doing his life sentence now and settling well into the rat and roach infested prison cell where them have him in a, God go with him because me can't go. But he was surely missed at GT Taylor Christmas extravaganza this year. When me look upon them picture here, you know, pause for a minute. Watch the look upon Ninja face. The look is like a down spiral. I know I am descending into the pits of hell. Anyway, big up to Ninja Man, you know. We now say rest in peace, Ninja Man, because where there is a life, there is a will, and where there is will, there is a way, yeah? Alright, so Ninja, go on, hold it here, sir. Anything can happen. Oh, no, here. Huh? Warn the girls them out there. It's still happening in Jamaica. Anyway, Tommy Lee also was slated to perform at GT Taylor Christmas Extravaganza. And Tommy Lee did show up. However, because of schedule conflict and all these other things, the artists never get to perform. So them rob the people them and them miss out. Big up Tommy Lee, you know, Sparta, Gaza. Genocide. And that's the thing there. Alright? The Soulflow TV, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I am up out of here. One done.